Okay, this is Randy. Today I'm going to be retro-brighting this remote control. It is all yellowed. It's a DirecTV remote. As you can tell, it's one of mine. It's older, and I don't want to buy a new one. So I'm going to take it, and I'm going to use the Retro-Brite. We're going to do it before, so you can see it. I'm going to just do the top half to see the contrast, and when we're done, I'll do the other half off camera. But we're going to do Retro-Brite. See how well it stands up. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this controller apart. I already took the battery cover off. And maybe I'll even do the battery cover too, so you can see the top of it and the bottom. Simple, take a screw. I've never taken this remote apart before. Hopefully it just comes out without having to unclip it. Let's see. Well, let me get one of my plastic separators. Okay, back with the separator. I'm going to take it in, see if I can figure out just how to separate this baby. Being a little bit trickier than I want it to be. There it goes. If you ever separate, just make sure you use plastic tools. I use metals, they really screw up the appearance on stuff. Go. Don't want to lose the screws. I'll do a cleaning on all that too, so this thing works better. Alright, so I'm just going to basically take it. I'll get my Retro-Brite out. Get a little household bowl. Put a Dutch in. You don't need to use a lot. This stuff does go a long way. I'm going to take my brush, and I'm going to apply it liberally, right to it. Now let's do the whole thing. Let's see what it does with the black. Why not? Take it, slide it in a Ziploc bag. I take it, put it in the sun. Okay, here she is. Problem is, clouds. Well, I'm going to try it. Otherwise, I'm going to go try a UV light. I'll go get one from Harbor Freight, Home Depot. I'll get something. I'll figure it out.